Hi guys, Manny Anif here, and welcome to another video. And again, this video is on current trends. Okay, so right now, as you can see, I'm gonna get straight into this video. So I don't want to waste your time. So let's head over to Google Trends. Okay, and right now, as you can see, the world is in lockdown. So at the time of recording this video, it is April the 22nd. Okay, so as you can see, there's all kinds of searches that are taking place right now. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to be searching for stuff that you can sort of potentially monetize for trends. Okay, so if I just go to trending searches right now, this is what's trending, okay, across the world, and these are actually real-time searches. And as you can see, for the past 24 hours, these are all the real-time searches that are taking place um, across the world, really, which is pretty good. But what I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to show you again, a different way to search. So I've clicked on Explore on Google Trends, and what we're going to be doing is basically we're going to be focusing on keywords that people are most likely to type in during um, you know right now. Okay, so as you can see this bit here, we've got worldwide and we've got all the different countries. So let's just focus on the US, and let's just focus on the past the past 7 days as to what people are searching for, and we're going to be focusing on YouTube. Okay, so if I go to YouTube search, and as you can see, if I pick a category, so if I click on beauty and fitness, as you can see, over the past 7 days, there's been quite a lot of different searches. But if you want to, if we want to see what people are sort of searching, let's say over the past 30 days, this is what people are searching. So we've got things like how to make a mask at home easy, okay, and then we've got things like quarantine topics. So this quarantine and this lockdown, this is not going to go away for a while. Um, but if I go on to the past 7 days, I can see nothing really shows up. Okay, so if I, for that reason, let's just do um, past past day. Okay, nothing shows up on that. So let's just stick to past 7 days, and let's just go for a different category. So in this case, let's just go for um, hobbies and leisure. Okay, and as you can see on YouTube search, the past 7 days, there's no data right now that comes up. So let's just do past 30 days, and we've got things like under this category, how to make face mask cloth. Um, let's just go down, go to shopping. Now this is pretty interesting. So for shopping, these are what people are searching for. So we've got Tiger King Netflix, bandana face mask, how to tie. Let's just type in a search. So in this case, let's just type in, um, and again, let's just type in how to. And this time, we can actually see data for the past 7 days. So as you can see, the normal way, if you select a category, um, and if you leave this blank, then you can't really see what people are searching for. But for right now, as you can see, um, for the category of shopping and how to, for the past 7 days, people these searches would come up. So in this case, let's go for, instead of shopping, let's just go for all categories. Okay, so now we've got things like we've got how to salute Deadpool's pants. So we've got all these different categories that have come up. Okay, so it's pretty weird. Um, but let's just select a category. So let's, for example, go for the beauty and fitness category. Okay. Now there's not enough data for this to show up. That's fine. Let's just go for home and garden. Okay, so instead of past 7 days, let's just go for the past 30 days. Okay, how to build a shed. So this is what comes up on YouTube search in the past 30 days at how to build a shed. Now, if I want to look at what people are searching for the past day, and if I go to all categories, this is what people are searching for in the past day on YouTube. So we've got how to get Travis Scott skin in Fortnite. So this is a really popular word. Then obviously Fortnite is a game that a lot of people are playing right now because obviously they're bored, and that's actually on all categories. So if I go to arts and entertainment and go for an individual category, again, that still shows up on here. Let's just go for beauty and fitness doesn't really show up. Let's just go for pets and animals. See what comes up. So we've got this. So we've got how to deliver fish to ghost. Let's just go to YouTube. Okay. How to deliver fish to ghost. Okay, so this is again, it's a game. So just for today, all these videos people are posting for this word. So that's, for me, that's really interesting. So we've got other niches that we can focus on. We've got water activities. We've got special occasions. Let's just go for special occasions for the past day. Okay, so nothing comes up. So let's look at the past 7 days for special occasions. Nothing comes up there. That's fine. Okay, so let's go for. Let's just leave that. So let's just go for, how to, and go for all categories, YouTube search, past 7 days. We've just already done this. So if I just click on here, and you can see all the top 10 searches for how to. So we've got how to make a flip book. Whatever's a flip book. Okay, how to make a flip book. Alright, these are the flip books. This is what a flip book is. So if I just click on this bit here, and just click on just today, they were like videos uploaded on YouTube with this word, how to make a flip book. I never knew what a flip book was until right now, thanks to trends. So if I just click on this one here, this guy's only got 17 subscribers. Oh, that's a flip book.
You can also use a window or...
It's crazy what niches you can discover. How to draw a horse. So, how to draw a horse. Let's have a look today. How to draw a horse from Roblox. Adapt me step-by-step drawing. And again, this person doesn't really have much subscribers. This is a brand new video. So you can just see literally, there's literally topics that trends is giving you. How to roll a backward, how to roll a joint, okay. How to make lip gloss, how to draw easy stuff, how to draw a panda, how to draw a shark. And this is in the last 7 days under all categories. If I look at the past day, which means this is just today, okay? How to make lip gloss, how to make clear lip gloss. So, how to make clear lip gloss. So let's just how to make clear lip gloss. And we'll have a look for today. Have a look, guys. All of these makeup tutorials, this person has only got 75 subscribers and they've got 40 views already. It's stuff like this that people are actually searching for. How to draw a Lamborghini. So how to draw a Lamborghini. Let's have a look today. How to draw Lamborghini, and this person has 34 subscribers, so they're just drawing a Lamborghini. And guys, you can literally see this is evident, you know. So if I just click on how to draw Lamborghini, look at all the searches, 100 searches, 61 April the 22nd. All of these are taking place because obviously everyone's home. People are just focusing on their passions. How to write a song, how to draw a boy, how to dye your hair at home, how to make a mansion in Minecraft, how to make sushi, how to reverse on Snapchat. And this is the past day, okay? Let's look at the past hour, if that comes up. How to make a face mask at home easy. That's a big search. Past hour. Let's have a look at the past 4 hours. What was the word? How to taper your own hair. Wow, guys, look at this. Look at this, guys. How to taper your own hair. California. Okay, this is interesting. So let's have a look. How to taper your own hair. So let's have a look today. Today. How to taper your own hair. Taper fit. So people obviously trying to cut their own hair. So this guy.
Right. Hopefully this doesn't
He's
suck.
got 2,000 subscribers, 75 views. Alright, so that's a lot of people are searching for stuff like this. So if you make a video with this title and have a slideshow video teaching people how to taper their own hair, you can literally, start a niche. You can start a brand new niche. And then you can go to ClickBank. Let's go to ClickBank. And start promoting product from here. So we've got, let's just type in, I don't know. So we've got all these different categories. Okay. And you basically have beauty, exercise and fitness, mental health. You can you can literally take these products, sign up, promote these, and get commission. This is insane stuff, guys. Because all is because people are searching for how to stuff, and our friend Trends is telling us everything. Okay, you want to focus on the past 7 days, or the past day, or the past hour, so you can capitalize on those trends, guys. Because trends change over the years. Because for the past 5 years, if I look at trends and head over to YouTube, we've got like, let's just go to how to. For example, for the past 5 years on YouTube, the most popular search was how to make fluffy slime or whatever, how to get better at Fortnite, how to make clear slime. And then obviously what we do, we can also look at the web search. So what are people searching for on the web? So which I've not covered really. So let's have a look at the past hour. What was the most popular search on the web? How long to grill chicken? Crazy. And have a look at the past 7 days on the web. Okay, so we've got how to watch The Last Dance, how to buy oil futures, how to buy crude oil stock. Riddle me this, whatever that means. How to buy oil stocks, how to invest in oil. So people are searching for oil stocks because obviously oil has been affected in the markets, and this is what people are searching for on the web. So this is how you start looking at see what you can capitalize on, guys. Okay. Let's have a look at Google Shopping. What are people buying? and this, what are people buying on Google Shopping? Let's have a look. Okay, see, you've got things like how to unblock someone on Facebook, but that's actually not. That's just a search. If I remove this, that's just not going to come up. So I just go to image search. What are people searching on images? I have to take a screenshot. I have to make a face mask. I have to draw a baby. I have to draw water. So it's all there, guys. It's all there. So I hope you got a lot of ideas from this video. My name is Mani Hanif. I will see you guys on the other side, and I'll come up with more cool videos and see how I can assist you in making money online. Speak soon, guys. Bye bye.